Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if Facebook notifications not working on your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find notifications, so just tap on notifications, and here you need to find Facebook, just tap on Facebook, and here you need to enable allow notifications, so just turn on here, and also choose every of this alert. So lock screen, notification sender, and banners. So just choose all of these options. And if it doesn't help you, just check if you have internet connection good. So just if you're using Wi-Fi, just check your Wi-Fi connection. Also, you can turn off and turn on again your Wi-Fi. Just reconnect to your network. And if you're using cellular data, so just turn off and turn on again your cellular data. And if it doesn't help you, just try the latest option you can try. Just scroll down in the general, just find here shutdown, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.